Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Smartass Sass for September. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So Smartass Sass just arrived for September. They do send me this for review. So thank you so much, Smartass Sass, for sending me your amazing box. I do need to disclaimer that this is my Smartass and Sass box. In this video, I may be saying or showing more foul language than normal. So if you're not into that, then please stop now or watch later if you have little ones around you. But I am disclaimering this video, you might hear things come out of my mouth that you normally don't hear in other videos because it's Smartass Sass time. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what September's box brings. Now that I've got that out of the way, let's see. Now their box, I absolutely love. I tell you guys that all the time. Plus I love the drop it like it's hot. But no, not really. It's fragile and classy, sassy, and a bit smartassy. So when you open it up, this month's theme is right here, and it is Every Day I'm Hustling, Hustling, Hustling. That is this month's theme for September. And then inside the card, it goes over the different items, the pricing, that kind of thing. So we do have a sneak peek into next month's theme. So October's theme is Feeling Stabby. October's subscription is a little festive for the spooky season. Sometimes we are just in a back the hell off, fresh out of fucks mood. This month we'll be sending sassy products that tell them you aren't here for their shit. That sounds like a good theme for next month, being Halloween month. So here is what it looks like when you first open up the box. So let's go ahead and see what items we are going to have in this month's theme. So the first thing that I'm pulling out, it says, "You're like really pretty. Put your hair up and slay." Those are really pretty colors. So this says, "You're like really pretty hair ties from Happy Box, HAPPIBOX. We always love a Mean Girls quote. The gold accent has a great boho chic feel that will look classy in your hair or on your wrist. Also comes with a cute backer card for easy gifting. Valued at $4.99, and you can use code HAPPI10 for 10% off at HAPPIBOXSHOP.com. So I don't know if that's happy with an I instead of a Y, happyboxshop.com. But here is the first item of hair ties valued at $4.99. And that is what one of them looks like, stretchy. And it does give it a little neat design with that. So if you do have it up in your hair, you'll have these that stick up. I think that'd actually be cute. So we have some hair ties, which I could always use some of those. So now we have is the sticker. This is design 5 of 6, and this is their collectible sticker that they're doing. The sticker here is productivity requirement F-bombs. These high quality stickers are outdoor durable and are coated with a matte lamination for long lasting color, valued for $3. And this one says Cape fucking dim. I have no freaking clue what the hell that says. I know it says fucking, but I have no clue what those other words say. So I don't know if it's the font or if this is one big word divided into 2, and I still don't know what the hell it is, but I don't know what that says. But there you go. You guys might be yelling at the screen telling me what it is, but I have no clue what the hell that says. I'm being honest. Capey fucking dem. I have no clue. I'm not even gonna keep trying. Fuck that shit. I'm not even gonna keep trying. So let's just keep on going. Okay, so now we have, it looks like it is a ring. It says Foxy Originals adjustable ring, and it says Fierce AF. This type of jewelry, unfortunately, I cannot wear. My skin does not like it. I'll turn green instantly. So I will just leave this in the package and set it aside. But on the ring, it says Fierce AF right on the front of it. And this here, you can kind of see it maybe a little bit better. Maybe not. But it says Fierce AF adjustable ring from Foxy Originals. You are strong as shit, lady. This adjustable ring can be customized to whichever finger you would like. The middle finger one, maybe. It is made of plated iron and has an antique looking debossed design. Valued at $24. Okay, I think that seems a little high for this type of a ring. This ring just looks kitty to me. I'm just being honest with you guys. It's not sterling silver or like that, so I definitely cannot wear it even if I wanted to. And that one you can use code Smartass and Sass for 30% off FoxyOriginals.com. So at least if you guys want to start using some of these codes to get Christmas ideas or Christmas gifts for people, that would be a good thing too. So you can use the codes for anything. The next thing, it says, hell yeah, I live beyond my means. It says Blue Q bags, the system for carrying your stuff, 95% recyclable material. So we have a little bag. I mean, okay. So far this box is confusing me. I don't know about you guys, but so far I'm a little confused by these items. This is not like their normal type of items that they send. I don't know, maybe they have an off month. I'm not sure, but let's just keep on going. So now we have is, it looks like another bag. It says, I'm silently correcting your grammar. And it even has like corrections on here. Let me show you. So it says, I'm silently correcting your grammar. And I guess you open it and how the fuck does this work? Okay, so I guess this is intended to put like colored pencils or colored markers, that kind of thing in. So when you stick your markers and everything down in here and you go to use them, you kind of like pull the bag down and then your markers or your pins or whichever will stick up past the pouch so you can grab them, see which ones you would like, and then you just close it back up and zip it up. So, I mean, that's kind of neat. And now I can get it where it says, I'm silently correcting your grammar, because this is for like writing markers, that kind of thing. So that is cute. This is valued at $12. We are in love with this pencil pouch. It has a flat bottom for standing up, but the best feature is the easy access to the writing tools. Just unzip and pull down the side tabs. No more digging through your pins. And you can use the code HUSTLE this month from Smartass and Sass's website. No, their website. So anything from Smartass and Sass's shop online, you can save 20% off this month by using the code HUSTLE. And I do have them linked down below. You can follow that link and you can check out all of their individual items and use HUSTLE for 20% off. Now this should be there too, because this is Smartass and Sass. And if you want to see the picture of showing how it has the pins and pencils in one versus the other, there is that. So this is really cute. And then I like that you can pull them down for, like it says, easy access, pop it back up, zip it up, and you're done. You can toss them in your drawer, do whatever you're going to do with them. And I like the colors of it as well. So that is really neat. And this is valued at $12. Okay, so now they're going back on track with me. Now we have is Bring It On Grapefruit Lemon Sugar Scrub. So it's all in this package. This says, this citrus scented Pick You Up is a Smartass exclusive product. This refreshing grapefruit lemon scrub is made with real orange powder, so it's packed with the real boost of skin-loving vitamin C. It's a 4-ounce valued at $7.99, and it's from bathbodyfactory.com, and you can use code OJ for 25% off. So let's get this opened. So there's that without the glare. I'm not really picking up grapefruit per se, but I am picking up a nice citrusy scent. It does smell really, really good, so I can't wait to try that. And again, that's valued at $7.99. So then now we have is this right here. It's Smartass and Sass, and it says Boss Bitch Washi tape. Is that how you say it? Washi tape? And it says Boss Bitch right on it. Now this right here, it says washi tape. This decorative tape has 3 messages: boss bitch, get shit done, and killing it. $3 value. And again, you can use code HUSTLE for 20% off. So there's the 3 different sayings that run through the whole tape. So there's that, and that's valued at $3. So then now we have Every Day I'm Hustling 20-ounce tumbler. So we're gonna have a tumbler in here. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, that is a very pretty color. I love that peach color. And then it says Every Day I'm Hustling, like in a stainless steel right there. And there we have that. So the top has where you can slide it. And so you have it up and closed, and then it's just a double walled. Okay, so for this right here, it says Every Day I'm Hustling travel mug from Smartass Sass. This 20-ounce insulated mug will be your new bestie, plus it comes in an adorable box. It's pretty coral color with a laser etched design. This mug is power coated for extra durability, and it is dishwasher safe. Valued at $18, and again from Smartass and Sass. And I love that color. It is a really good size, and especially going into now fall type hotter teas, hot coffee, that kind of thing. So that's a really good thing to be bringing in boxes now. And then the last item is going to be the shirt item. So with Smartass and Sass, they have 3 different tiers. They have a shirt only, they have the goods only, or they have the big box like they send me, which I get all the goods and the shirt. So everybody gets the same shirt if you get the big box or the shirt only. And then you get to pick the size. Their sizes are unisex from extra small to 3XL. And this one, it says slightly ambitious. I think that's an S. That's some funky writing with the S. I don't know how I can't read things today, but I think this is slightly. I don't think so. But I like this color, the nice like burgundy with the lighter like pinkish color on it. This burgundy color looks really nice, and it is a really good fall color. So I really like the shirt. So going over this month, like a quick recap, we have the shirt. We have this, which I love this, and the color is really, really pretty. We have a sugar scrub that smells really good that I cannot wait to try. We have the tape, washi tape? Oh no. We have the sticker that I don't know what the hell that shit says. We have a ring that to me just seems a little too kiddie for this box. That's my own personal opinion. And then we have this weird looking like recyclable bag. We have some hair ties, and then we have this. So the only thing that's really throwing me off are these 2 items, but it's okay because I love all the other ones. That's the thing with subscription boxes. You might not love every single item in each box, but this one does have some pretty amazing items, and I really, really love this box. So again, I'm really excited about these 3 items, and then the hair tags are really cool too because I like those colors. And yeah, so comment below, let me know, what did you think of this month's theme? What did you think of all the items in here? Are you kind of with me? Like, do you think these are kind of seem out of place for this box? This just seems a little chintzy to me for some reason, and I'm just being honest. So that is everything that I have for you guys. If you want to know a little bit more about Smartass and Sass, again, they have the 3 different tiers. So the shirt only is $15.95, and you get to choose between extra small to 3XL in the unisex soft blended tee, or you can do the goods only. So you'll receive everything without the shirt, no shirt, everything else. That one is $34.95. You'll get 5 to 7 full-size items with the hilarious brands. Or you can go to the big box like they sent me, where you will get all of the goods and the shirt. This one's $49.95 per month, and you get everything in the box. Shipping is an additional charge. We love funny shit, cuss words, and treating ourselves. Smartass and Sass is a gift and subscription service with Snark. We have monthly subscription options along with one-time theme boxes and products available directly from the website. So again, I do have them linked below. You can definitely check them out. Check out all their individual items. If you're not ready to go to a subscription, you can find all these different items, the shirts, everything is on their site that you can purchase from their store, and use Hustle for 20% off this month. So that is everything, you guys. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.